Almighty Support has plenty of options which will allow you to customize the look and feel of the plugin. Filter labels is one of them, and I am here to explain their purpose and how to change the label of the filter. In the backend, labels for filters can be accessed by going into WordPress Dashboard, Almighty Support, Configuration, General. We will come back to this configuration page in a minute. Let's go back to the front end. Filters help to organize the front-end view in a way that is easier for support agents to navigate large number of tickets. Clients will never see filters because they can only access their own tickets, and there is no need for client to see these filters. But when it comes to support agents, they are very useful because filters can save so much time by allowing agents to, filter tickets by different criteria. For example, agent can filter the list of tickets by only those that are newly created, pending for attention, or only those tickets assigned to them. Or maybe they just need to reference a detail or take a look at closed tickets. In all these cases, filters are very useful for the daily routine of your support agent, but what if you want to quickly change the title of the filter? You could always change it in language file, or use one of many available translation plugins for multilingual websites. For a singular language website, changing the filter label is as easy as going back to the configuration page mentioned earlier in WordPress Dashboard, Almighty Support, Configuration, General. Simply type the custom label and save it. Looking back at the front end, your custom label title will now automatically be applied to the filter. That's how easy it is to add a personal touch to the Almighty Support filters. I hope you like this new format of short instructional videos. If you do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow us on social media. All relevant links are in the description. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.